it way back on this one. You know?
Bonnie, we're here. Bonnie. And hello. This year I'm not dancing, and it's just because I'm very happy to not dance. Yeah, I don't have to put on makeup. Well, not too much makeup. I don't have to worry about anything. But my girls are slowly arriving as usual. I don't know who's here yet, but it's almost 9. So I think the girls are going at 11:30 today. So I'm hoping that they are slowly arriving as I'm going inside the building in a bit, because they need to do a run through. And I know that little song, their hair's not gonna be done, outfits are probably not gonna be on. So, and they're doing their tie today too. So I'm really hoping that they can get ready fast enough so that we can rehearse a little before they go on. I don't know who's here yet as far as team, but it is what it is. You want to say hi to my vlog? You're gonna be in my vlog this time. Okay, see y'all later. Okay, so I forgot to vlog as soon as I came in, but it's already been like an hour. So my girls took an hour. Damn, you're so
I can see myself now. Do I have to make it higher?
Yeah. So my duty this time around is to do my props here for my journals. So we're ready. Well, we're getting ready. You know, it's so funny because my girls probably, my vloggings, my dance vloggings, my girls, they were really camera shy, and now at the end of the year they're finally open to the camera. So you'll see them wave, you'll see them run up to the camera, you'll see them say crazy things. Oh, look at the jacket. Grab her collar first.
This is my face. Wait, what is wrong with fucking thing? I don't know. It's my mom. Her crown is really crooked.
Well, it looks like.
No, it is. It is. It is. It looks crooked. It is crooked.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, it is. It's okay. We didn't notice it.
It is really crooked though. Oh wow, we gotta stop this vlog because it's what you say?
My jello.
Oh my god. Oh, you got choke on there like that. The guy who ate it and almost died.
You can do it. I'm not doing it.
Alright guys, we are going to review really quick.
Hayo hayo đường đèn tia lúc chạy yết thế chùa mơ chê ai ai phụ chết chê mẹ cả liền ní thật chính gà thay con tu bây giờ cần nè thay ngầu cha bây giờ cần nè nó lùa hay đen hai bên tin trong chúa thiên gia không đủ tin trong chúa thiên gia không
One, two, three.
Okay, so we are done with round one. My girls did okay, but we're ready to go home or go to our hotel now. As you can see, everybody's getting dressed. Yeah, you gotta put it. But so how do you feel about helping? She doesn't like it. How do you feel about helping? So that night, we just cook and then cook the lunch box. Need to go na. Hi guys, I arrived at my hotel and let me tell y'all. Hi. Let me tell y'all, NKT is not here. This is probably out of the blue for this vlog, but I want to show you guys my freaking hotel. Like all of this, it feels so like apartment like, and this is what I like. Do a tour. So here, it's kind of like the kitchen. We have a sink. We even have, you know, whatever these are, bowls. Oh, well, you might have to blur that out. Plates, obviously. Utensils. It's the bathroom, y'all. Look, just look how beautiful that is. Yes, look at that, girl. Let me tell you. And then, yeah, let me tell you what brand is this? Is Ntxhee Yees. Ntxhee Yees. So here is like a little small desk you can pull out, do your homework, and that's what I'm doing. Here is kind of like the little living room, but it's a pull-out sofa. I mean, pull-out bed. Then there's also like this curtain right here, y'all. It's a divider for privacy. Girl, let me tell you, this is a miracle because I hate sharing rooms with other people who be farting in QH, for example. So we could close this up and be like, you know, you could fart over there. I don't care. I don't see you. And then like hanging out with us because you the baby, right? You get baby all the time. She's the oldest, but then she gets babied a lot. Here's our TV. We might as well just steal this. This is ready to go Black Friday. And y'all, let me tell you, our TV broke. Okay. Here's like George's thing. It doesn't look like dirty. Like, we have a little closet for closet. For stuff in this house right here. And then my HNY, NKT is right here. You can see it right here. Oh, my eyes red.
We're gonna have the papaya salad.
We didn't have body water.
And then hold it like that. Okay?
Just hold it like that. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
She wanted to vlog.
So,
She should let her vlog.
yeah, I should just have her vlog. But anyways, I honestly forget to keep vlogging. But this person right there is the only person that'd be like, can you vlog? I'm like, okay, cool. But today's round 2, last and final round. Results is probably not gonna happen until 4 or 5 because as always, we run Hmong time, which is cool. But the only thing is, it looks like there's a lot of dark clouds and it's colder today, and I'm actually very terrified of driving back home because one, it's gonna get dark by 4, and then it's gonna be dark, and I hate driving in the dark, especially on freeways. And then as well, I heard that there's supposed to be like a small snowstorm or snowfall for the evening. They start the Qaim Hli, right? Like that's what they were saying. Afternoon. I don't know who's here yet as far as my girls, but I'm here. It's about 9:16. The round today is supposed to be 10:30, but yesterday we didn't even get to go until what time?
We know.
1, 2, but then the expected time was 11:30. So hopefully today it's not rushed, and I hope that today will actually be a little bit smoother, and it gives us time because I know some of my girls are just now waking up or eating breakfast or not dressed yet. So I mean, I don't know, you know, but Megan, hi! Hi! Say hi! Where's Ashley? Oh, is everybody here? I'm tired of you guys. A boomerang? We have so many boomerangs. What's wrong with y'all? I don't want to. Be right back. Okay guys, so we are going to do something different. We are going to do a challenge. We are going to do a challenge. And the girls have to do, I give them a list of things to do, and they're going to have to go and complete all of the challenges. Okay, here we go.
How y'all doing? What do you guys have left? One more? Go do it! Go do it! Sorry, we got lost like Andy. Oh my god! Megan's win! Yeah, Megan's win! Let's chase Stephanie!
Stuck here. There's a tie, but not with my girls. It's Ntxhee Yees from Minnesota. So they're actually doing a tie right now. They haven't announced who got first, like no top teams yet, which I feel like they should have before doing a tie, because then it's like they're keeping everybody here, and those who have to travel back has to wait. So we don't know we're losing or we're winning, but they're about to start the tiebreaker round. And we don't know which round they're fighting for yet, though. But stay tuned. I'm here.
Hey, we're gonna take you way back on this one.
It's just too much people, but we're gonna go behind stage and catch them.
Ladies and gentlemen, Columbia, surprise. How to the Naya, Shannon Shown.
Yeah, man.
Good morning. It is Sunday. We are on our way to Sheboygan. So it's literally a back-to-back competition for NKT. Well, obviously you see me with my crown. Ntxhee Yees is also going this week or today, not even a week. So I haven't even vlogged yesterday about how I feel about the overall, but we're gonna combine the two, Sheboygan and Madison, together for this vlog. It's such a short, this is a competition that we just might have lost it, but stay tuned to what Tango Greens, because I'm so it's because I'm very confident. Just the year that I am most tired is because all the things happen first every day, and I don't have time to prepare anything. I'm so sorry. You could just block yourself out. But today, the plan was she wasn't supposed to go anymore because she wanted to catch up on her sleep, which is fine because it is what it is, you know. But then I know she kind of feel bad about it, that I have to get myself ready. And I was running really late. I woke up at 4:30, but I didn't even really get ready until like I was running really late. I woke up at 4:30, but I didn't by 10ish, and it's just because personal stuff. But then she wasn't supposed to go, but she came anyways, and it's just because she knows that I need help. And that's what sisters and supporters are supposed to do. They have to sacrifice just as much as the dancers. They get to lose sleep just as much as the dancers. So I'm very blessed to have my sister with me. But yes, stay tuned. We are behind stage. I don't know where NKT went, but I'm pretty sure maybe they went to go practice somewhere else. But we are here. We're slowly practicing because they just got done with singing. So I think after singing, we're the dancer. There is a total of 10 teams here today, which is surprising me because usually Sheboygan is not this much from what I remember. But we're here. Can't wait to take a tour, but it's late. done for round 2, which should start roughly around 1:45. What time is it? It's probably like 1. But we're gonna start practicing. They're over there. I think they did really well. They actually might take first, so we'll see. Okay, so round 2 is done. And we are currently just waiting for results now. What time is it, like 2? It's 2:19. And hopefully like it's 30 more minutes we are able. Anyways, as I was getting disrupted by NKT's group chat, we just got done with round 2 and we are going to wait at least 30 minutes to know the results. How do you feel? Like, who do you think is gonna win?
NKT's gonna win.
They might, just because I did such a great job. I did such a great job choreographing and choosing out their music and upbeating it. So if they win, they deserve this win. This weekend is theirs. Okay, so funny thing is, there was a tie, and me and my girls tied. So technically me and Ntxhee are actually tied, and right now my girls are having their emotional moment. Honestly, I had never seen my girls dance so hard and like they want it, and this is exactly what I wanted my girls to continue to keep doing. This is exactly what I wanted my girls to keep having, to want something so bad that they perform like they want it so bad. And it sucks that they have to go against their coach in order to feel that way. I guess it's a good thing. I don't know if it's a bad thing, but you know what? I think my girls deserve first place because they shook their butts off and they deserve this win. So yeah, stay tuned for results. Why are you crying?
Because my stuff fell off.
Oh.
There's a trash bag on the stage.
Yeah, maybe they should zoom it in. That's a garbage bag. They came out of Lwv Txuj. Oh my god.
Dựa nhân trong nó nào nè. Giờ lên từ nè. Oh, trời. Con check, double check and make sure hả? Cái đấy dột kỹ nào. Ok, nhất lên trời của thôi cho ba của dân đó là vô. Sai cầu chú. Sai Bảo Ly. Cải Ly. Sai Cải Ly. Sai Cải Ly. Phóng xí này. Mom NKT. Ok, bé ba này nhá, bé ba ở dân trong nước nọ. Giờ tàu thi y thi o, thi p ở cụ chỉ báo nè. Ôi dạ thật là cú xí nè. Ok, ba tàu thi p nói nhá. Come on, NKT. Kể bác một tiếng lá, điều học thì có nè, đầu cái lúc competition show nó cái học bác tài cờ
Ladies and gentlemen, Kawm Txuj, surprise. How do the Ntxhee Yees?
Yeah, man. Con nhà ca sĩ